All right, so we just went and picked up our tractor. Everything was in, so yeah, we got it back there. It's a Kubota L3301, and it's got the front end loader on it. We got a box blade, we got a bush hog, pallet forks, and a trailer. So it's all a package deal. And unfortunately, it's raining today, so we won't be able to get much work done today, I don't think. But we have it, so when the rains do let up, we'll be able to fill in our ditch that we have for the water line and all that. We'll be able to get that all filled in, and then we'll get to bush hogging some of the property and getting stuff cleaned up a little bit. We're pretty excited. What do you think, babe?
I'm ready. I'm excited.
Yeah.
Proud of you.
All right, check it out back there. Alright guys, so we just got home. So this is our new tractor. This is a Kubota L3301. It's a 33 horse, four-wheel drive with a front end loader. So we bought the tractor, the front end loader, the box blade, the forks, the trailer brakes, and a bush hog for it. I'll get into more details later, but yeah, we bought it all as a package deal. Okay, so what you're going to want to do is push in your brake until it releases the parking brake, and you see the parking brake, it will, okay, parking brake is released. Push in your clutch, right there, push in.
That brake?
Yeah. Push in your clutch all the way, okay? Now take this and put it one click forward into M. No. Right there, okay. Now, okay, now let off of this foot right here, okay, and then that right there, press on the back like on with your heel, and that's reverse. Okay, now press forward. Oh shit, Raquel's driving it for the first time. I haven't even got to drive it yet, I just backed it off the trailer. Oh, getting it. Press harder, you'll go faster. And then we're in medium. We can go in the high and it would be really fast, but we don't need all that. One point 7 hours. Okay, kind of go. Wait, you gotta watch your back behind you. So go straight. Turn around. Go straight. Okay. Now start cutting it. Watch your back. Okay, cut it. Go right. We're gonna try to go to the high ground around to the barn and stay out of, so we stay out of that puddle. Okay, hold on. Stop real fast. Okay. Push in. So pull up on that handle, and that'll be four-wheel drive. Or push down. Okay, now pull up. Okay, we're in four-wheel drive. Okay. Let's rock and roll. Let's rock and roll. So we're gonna go around, and we're gonna make this loop right here and just stay on the high ground. Perfect. You go fast. Okay, make a left. Make a left. Go. Okay. Pick up on your blade a little bit. That lever, pull down. There you go, that's good. Now go straight. Okay, take a left, take a left. Hell's getting it. you go. Now let go with your foot. There you go. Perfect. Good job. Okay, you wanna